viewers, we continue to bring you all the latest developments, starting from the entire route map to the nexus of the Jaish terror module. We also have some breaking news now coming in, but we're given to understand that another doctor, one more doctor in the Jaish module, related to the Jaish module, has been arrested in Srinagar. Cops detain one more doctor in Srinagar. That's the latest breaking news coming in. Connection with the Jaish-e-Mohammed, the terror doctor link is getting exposed. Dr. Tajamul, a resident of Kulgam district, has been working at the SMHS hospital in Srinagar and is friends with Umar. Dr. Umar, the terror Dr. Umar, helped Tajamul during the purchase of a vehicle, and the Srinagar police are investigating the car module angle. Dr. Tajamul left his job after 3 years ago. Zeenat is joining me to give us more details. Zeenat, take us through these developments coming in. Another doctor now being detained by the police for questioning.
I think we need to understand that the Srinagar police, along with CIK, SIA, they are all the part of the Jammu and Kashmir police, and they are investigating now the car module link, and for which now the Dr. Tajamul, who earlier has worked with Shri Maharaja Hari Singh Hospital, SMHS Hospital in Srinagar, he has been detained. Now the questioning is on as per the sources within the Jammu and Kashmir police. They say that Umar and Tajamul have been in touch, and Umar has helped Tajamul in the purchase of vehicles. 3 to 4 vehicles has Tajamul purchased, but in what context, what was the need of those vehicles, and where those vehicles at present are lying, the Srinagar police is investigating the entire matter, for which now the doctor has been detained. Although he is not the only one who has been detained for questioning. There have been multiple doctors who have, some of them even have gone in hiding, seeing the affair on the ground. Those who have been in touch with Dr. Omar, many of them have gone in hiding, but we are seeing the crackdown against the white collars is continuing not only in Srinagar but in South Kashmir as well, because the Srinagar case has its strings in South Kashmir, and it has also spanned to multiple states across India. So we are seeing that it is continuing. We are seeing on the one side, we are seeing that Jamaat-e-Islami activists getting raided by the district police. Their residences are being searched and scanned. On the other side, there is one more breaking that we'd like to take it from here. That the poster case, the Jaish-e-Mohammed poster case, because that was the one initial thing that helped the police to get more leads and led to the recovery of ammonium nitrate in Faridabad. And that was when the posters of the Jaish-e-Mohammed were recovered, when the Dr. Adil was pasting these posters in Srinagar. Now the case has been transferred to SIA, which is a state investigating agency, again a component of Jammu and Kashmir police. It is a separate wing, and they are dealing and investigating the poster case as far as the Jaish is concerned. So multiple agencies on the one side, we see the Srinagar SIT working, Srinagar Cargo working, Srinagar District Police working. We are seeing the Pulwama police in action, the Kulgam police in action. Then also we are seeing the role of investigating agencies. As we have already on the very first day, we said the case will be taken over by the NIA, because that is how the module was looking like, and NIA having the expertise in dealing with these cases, and the officers who work with the NIA at the highest level, they come from the Jammu and Kashmir cadre, having the expertise in dealing with the challenges and the kind of terrorism that Jammu and Kashmir has witnessed. So they might have been the apt choice for dealing with the cases. The officers, presently the NIA team is also in Srinagar. So we can say that men, machinery, the equipments, the high-tech equipments, everything is being used by the J&K police to reach to the conclusions that who are the people who actually penetrated into the minds of these doctors, the educated lot, and where all the wings are spread, whether they are confined to Jammu and Kashmir or it is beyond Jammu and Kashmir.
Zeenat, stay on with us. We have some more breaking news coming in. Viewers, there is a massive search operation that has been launched in Shopia by the Jammu and Kashmir police to combat terrorism and curb the anti-national activities and also dismantle the terror networks. In fact, a massive search operation is going on by the police in the houses of the anti-national activists, Jamaat-e-Islami, OGW and others in Shopian district to curb the anti-national elements and their activities. Zinat, let me come back to you to understand what exactly is happening. See, we are seeing that there are several search operations happening, particularly in Jammu and Kashmir region and other places as well. But this is very necessary in order to combat terrorism and curb the anti-national activities. Help us understand this operation, one, and secondly, which are the areas and who are these people that the crackdown is now building on?
See, as far as the raids are concerned, we need to understand that the raids are not only limited to Kulgam. Rather, we are saying the Shupian, Kulgam, Sopore, Baramulla. This from south to North Kashmir, they are in focus as far as the raids against the Jamaat-e-Islami members, the activists, those who are the mutual friend of these members. They're all being scanned and searched. We have been seeing the operation being carried from South Kashmir to North Kashmir, where the questioning and the search operation continues. The visuals that we beam on screen, this is the police in action. They're going inside the home of these activists, the members of Jamaat-e-Islami, because Jamaat-e-Islami has been into the terror business, because Jamaat is also banned by the Ministry of Home Affairs for their tainted past, for being involved in the subversive and the anti-national activities. And though we have seen raids in past where the members of the Jamaat have been arrested, although we have not received as of now anything that pertains to the case, but it is more like seen that to keep the terror on run or to flush out the terrorists hiding behind these masks, the exercise is being carried extensively by Jammu and Kashmir police.
Okay. Thank you, Zinat, for giving us those details on that story. Viewers, we will be continuing to track all the updates that come in as India combats terrorism altogether. We now shift our focus.